Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can build out a Twitter downloader inside Node.js and Express. So basically guys, this is the application here. In the last video I talked about how to build Instagram downloader. This time we will be building Twitter downloader. We have this simple interface with the help of Bootstrap. I built this, and you can go to Twitter here guys. You can just tap on this image. So this is basically this image. You can simply copy this and plug this inside this online tool that I developed. So there is basically this download button. So if you click this download button, your image will be downloaded as a JPG image. You will see that your image is successfully downloaded. So you can tap on any post, Twitter post guys of the user. Just need to copy the link here and plug this link inside this tool website. Click on download, and then your image will be downloaded right here. So this is basically the service, and also we can download videos as well. Nice thing is that you can pick any video, Twitter video. So you just need to pick the URL of this video. That is there is no direct way in Twitter to download this video. So you can simply copy the video address. So after this, you can simply plug this URL, click on download, and now you can see that guys, the video is downloaded as a MP4. And now you can play this video right here. You can see that the video is playing right here guys. You can see this is a very simple way by which you can download the Twitter video by simply copying the link, copy video address, and then simply pasting this link right here in the tool that I developed inside Node.js Express. And if you open this as an MP4 file, you will see the video is successfully downloaded. So guys, I have given the link in the description of the video. If you want the full source code, you can purchase it. I will show you step by step how I built out this application inside Node.js and Express. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. So now let me just show you how I built this application. So first of all, this is a directory structure. After you purchase it, you will get this zip file. You can extract it and you will get this directory structure. So index.ejs, this simply contains this code guys, which is bootstrap code. Let me just write this code from scratch. So I have included the CDN for bootstrap guys. So basically here we have the container class of bootstrap, and then we are making a simple post request to download, and the action here is simply, sorry, method is post. And inside this guys, we basically taking as the URL. So we are simply telling the user enter Twitter post or video URL. And then guys, we basically what we need to do here, we are simply having the input class. We are giving a form control class, and here basically we are saying to the user that please write your, so we need to surround this all this stuff inside the form group class of bootstrap. So here you can say enter Twitter post URL, and then we can simply have form control, and here we will say name is URL, and it should be required. So after this guys, we will have a simple button btn danger, and this will simply say that download. So if you now basically refresh guys, this will be the interface. In enter Twitter post URL, and as soon as you click the, you can see please fill out this field, and we will make this post request slash download. So we now need to make this post request. So right here guys, we are loading this template. Whenever you open the home page, we are loading this index.ejs. We are setting the view engine here EJS. After this guys, what we are doing right here, if you see in the post request, let me write this code once again. So right here we are first of all getting the URL which the user has submitted guys by request.body.url. So we are using this body parser middleware guys. This is really necessary whenever you are working with forms. So whatever value that you submit right here inside the name parameter we are fetching this value. After we pick out the URL, guys, what we need to do, we need to call our Twitter API that I built from scratch in JavaScript, guys, which makes this request in the background. So we are making this to the Twitter API. And after this, guys, what we need to pass here, which we need to pass the URL, and this basically returns a promise, guys. So here it returns a promise response, and we can simply console log it. And the nice thing is that, guys, if you submit now, and if you now click, you will now see, guys, basically it returns a response to me, JSON response. And basically, guys, it contains all the information that you see right here. Let me just drag down. So this is the information that is returned to me in the JSON response, guys. The ID of the image. This is the URL. You can see that the extension is JPG, and the meta information, which is the title, source. So we are scraping all this information, guys. So you don't need to basically provide any sort of API key. You can use it for multiple, unlimited number of times. So now we simply need to get this URL and download this as an attachment. So we can basically use some logic here, basically if condition here. So we can have a if condition that if response.st is equal to null. So basically we are checking for this condition, guys. If you closely look, SD value is null because it's not a video, it's an image. So in this case, this is a image. So for downloading the image, we will call this function download file that we defined right here. So this expects three parameters. First is the response here. This is the response that we will pass right here. Secondly, the URL. So URL will be simply response.url 0 URL. And the third one is the extension. So this is image file. So that's why. So in the else block, we will call the same function once again. And this time, here we need to pass for the video. So now, guys, the video will be slightly different. If I show you here, if I refresh, let's suppose if I take the example of video and paste this link here. So what should happen? It will return a response to me, JSON response. And now you will see that, guys, the video will have various qualities, video quality 852, 568. And we need this URL, which is HD URL, HD video. So what we can say is that uh, if this is a video, in that case, will be response.hd.url and the extension will be mp4. So inside this function, guys, we are taking these three things and then we are making use of this request module that we installed. So you need to install this request module, and then we are setting the headers and downloading the file as an attachment. So dynamically we are setting the extension and giving a file name, and that's all. So if I now refresh the application, guys, so let's suppose if I click, you will now see the image file is downloaded. If I paste the URL of the image, copy image address, so this should also work. You will see that uh, the video is also downloaded. So you can pick any username, guys. This is ultimate, it's unlimited application that I shown you. So if you are like it, you can purchase the full source code. The link is given in the description of the video for a very reasonable price. So this is my sheer hard work that I am putting these things for you guys, tool websites. So you can host this tool on your own domain name. Many users will come to your website, unlimited number of users. You can earn a lot of money using this Twitter downloader website. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream. Thank you very much.